Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting essentials: the exact SSID, the password, and the security type, WPA2, WPA3, or none. Once done, pick the device you will test with because iOS versus Android scanners differ. Make sure you have admin access if the network is hidden or you need to reveal settings. Next, decide whether to use a trusted app, a desktop QR tool, or an offline generator. This choice affects privacy and image format. Now begin creating the encoded string. You build the payload using the standard format: Wi-Fi, T, WPA, S, SSID, P, password, H, true, if the SSID or password has, or characters, escape or remove them to avoid truncation. Once built, paste into your chosen generator, set error correction to M or Q for resilience, and select PNG or SVG depending on printing needs. Make sure resolution matches print size. After generating, immediately preview by scanning with a second device to confirm the payload decodes correctly. You finish by scanning the QR with several devices, confirm automatic join, then save the image and print at the desired size. Once printed, check contrast and quiet margins so cameras read it at 1 meter distance. Share cautiously. A QR is effectively a password. If a device fails to connect, first verify you used the correct T value for WPA versus NOPS, then check for unescaped semicolons, hidden SSID flags, or wrong encryption. If still stuck, reset the password and regenerate the QR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.